Hey YouTube, this is Coco Sherelle from Fancy Bling Things, and today I'm going to decorate some baby pacifiers. These pacifiers are from the dollar store. They come in different colors and different styles. These pacifiers are for my mother. She asked me to make her some pacifiers for her dolls. My mom makes reborn, beautiful reborn dolls, and with those dolls, she likes to give them pacifiers to look more realistic. So she has a way where the pacifiers stick to the baby. So she asked me to make her some. Now, these pacifiers, like I said, they're going to be for a doll. So I'm going to be doing a lot of different things to them that I do not recommend that you do for actual baby that you're going to give a pacifier to. Once again, I'm going to be doing a lot of different things as far as some toxic spray paint, just to give it the color I want. These are from the dollar store, so they didn't really come, the color I wanted. So you can't really find like silver, gold, and things like that. The pacifiers I usually use are completely crystal clear, so I can put any color to them. So like I said before, these are going to be going to my mother. She had requested me to make her some pacifiers for her reborn dolls. These are going to reborn dolls, okay? So like I said, that's why I'm touching this. I would not touch this if this is going to a customer of mine. It comes with a case that protects the nipple. And then I do use gloves. So just stay tuned and you'll see what I do these to transform them, okay? Okay, YouTube, I'm back. And as you can see, I spray painted the pacifiers. One is silver, one is gold. Once again, I'm making these for reborn dolls only, not for infant babies, not for human children. These are for dolls. That's why I spray painted them. If they were going for a real baby, I would just maybe do like the Sharpie, what I just did right here. So this blue one is actually going to go for another one of my mother's reborn dolls. One of her customers loves the color blue. So I'm going to put blue crystals on them. That's why I did not spray paint it. But these I wanted to have a more dramatic and different look. The original color did not go with what I wanted to do. Spray paint just this side. This is actually going to be cut off. But I'm going to let my mother do that because she cuts it off and she puts, something there so it can stick to the baby for the dolls. All right. So let me show you what I'm working with. So I have printed out these. I made these myself. So I printed out on a sheet. And I'm not sure what design I'm going to go with. I think I want to do the young Versace sign for the silver and may do like the pink CC for the gold. Not sure. Let me see. Okay, so I finished the blue pacifier. It's all done. I put 2 different size stones on here and I put a little jewel in the middle. The white glue is going to dry clear, so you're not going to see any of that. But this came out really cute. Okay, so I already started on the silver spray paint pacifier that's going for a reborn doll with the young Versace logo in the middle. I already put the logo in the middle and I started putting crystals around. So the next step is just to finish up putting crystals around the whole pacifier. So there is some pink left over from where I spray painted, but that's going to be covered in crystals. I'm using white diamond crystals. Okay, so I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished look of this. So you basically know I'm just gonna put one crystal at a time all around the pacifier. So I'll be back and show you. Okay, so the Young Versace pacifier is done. I have it in a candlestick so it can dry. So now what I'm going to do is just put some Mod Podge on the top of the Young Versace sign so that it'll stick and it won't get dirty. Trying to make sure all the air bubbles is out of here. Trying to see, get a better look at that. Okay, so now I have to let this dry. It has to sit for like 3 hours, and then if I need to, I'll put another coat on. Okay guys, so I went ahead and cut out the CC logo from my sheet here. This is fabric printed paper. So I have the CC. That's why you see the strings here, because it's fabric. So I'm going to try to get an oval shape, because the center of this pacifier is an oval, not a circle. I'm going to try to see if I can get really close to that and then put this on, and I'll be back. Okay, so I cut it as close as I can to an oval shape. So now I'm going to glue it on. So there's a backing, a paper backing. I'm just going to remove. So then you're just left with the fabric. now I'm just looking to make sure it's centered. I'm going to put it down facing me to make sure that the logo looks centered, and I just got to make some adjustments. Because you don't want, I'm going to flip it the other way. See, by me pushing the glue, make sure that the edges are going to be down. Okay, so I'll be back with the crystals. Okay, I'm back, and I'm back with the crystals. So this one I'm going to do a little bit different. I am going to put crystals in the inside of the Chanel. See, pink. And then everything else is going to be gold. So I'll come back when I have both of the C's complete. Okay, so I already started with the gold crystals. Yeah, with the gold crystals and the pink. All the way around. So now I'm just going to do the outside of the pacifier with gold and maybe a little bit of pink here and there. Okay, so the gold and pink pacifier is complete. It just has to dry. My last step is to put a seal over the logo like I did with the Versace one. So I just want to let you guys see what that looks like. It's not completely finished drying, but it has a hard seal. So you can easily see the difference from that one and then this one. You can actually see the material, like the fabric. Whereas this is shining. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the seal on it. Make sure there's no air bubbles. There we go. So I'm going to put much more on this one than I did with the Versace because the pink crystals in the inside are raised, so it's not as flat as a Versace one is. So I'm going to go ahead and fix this up a little bit, but it's going to dry really clear. I'm going to try to get some of these air bubbles out. Okay, I'll be back. Aren't these just adorable? So remember, I made all 3 of these for my mother's reborn dolls. The blue one is actually going to one of her customers who loves the color blue, and the other 2 are just extras. But aren't these gorgeous? But as you can see, the blue is almost completely dry. The white glue is starting to disappear. This still has a lot more hours to go with drying. And this one, the seal is on there. You can see that shine and the middle logo. And I did the same thing for this one. That's gonna harden and dry clear. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please give my video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more fancy bling thing work. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Bye.